Located at the bottom of the South Pacific Ocean, New Zealand is one of the world's most isolated and least populated countries. New Zealand has about 15 million cows. 3 times as many cows as people. The availability of high-quality bovine plasma, with the highest levels of cattle traceability, helps Biomedicals New Zealand produce bovine plasma protein products. Products, like albumin, thrombin, transferrin, fibrinogen, and immunoglobin. Products can be used, in mammalian cell culture research, infectious disease research, and embryo transfer applications. Biomedicals New Zealand produced albumin, is used in the biopharmaceutical industry to treat ultra-rare, and very rare diseases, and in the animal health industry, to produce fish vaccines. Biomedicals New Zealand products are used, in various critical diagnostic applications, specifically in infectious diseases, and hematology, at the high end of the spectra. Biomedicals New Zealand produces its bovine proteins, using the latest technologies, and high-end extraction, filtration, and lyophilization techniques. The chromatographic extraction process, used by Biomedicals New Zealand, assures an intact protein, with a high degree of lot consistency. The secret to Bio's process is to never denature the albumin at any stage of the process. The basic raw materials are all sourced from within New Zealand, with the highest level of traceability. We are governed by strict quality systems, and we boast of an ISO 9001-2015 certification and a CGMP quality system. We take pride in being able to work closely with many of our customers in arriving at tailor-made solutions to problems. We have an excellent R&D team that is focused on bringing new products and solutions to market. We assure our customers consistent product quality and the highest service levels in this industry. These capabilities lead us to assure our customers of uncompromised reliability, tangible benefits, and minimum risk. Everybody has priorities, and you are ours.